welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the diagrammatic form of circle, secants and tangent guys. Okay, so this circle indicates the circumference, okay, the outline or the perimeter we call. The center, this is the center point, the middle point is called center. Center to any point on the circumference is called radius, and the line segment which meets at two distinct points on the circle is called chord. A line which touches the circle at two distinct points is called secant. A line which touches at only one point is called tangent. Okay, and an arc is a part of a circumference. Okay, arc is a part of a circumference. It is a combination of two radii and one arc is called sector guys. This pizza shape. Okay, and this is called the longest chord called diameter. I hope you understand this